Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine this season. Compliment of the season. Hope you are enjoying and having a great time during this festive period. My name is Sophia in case you're new to this channel, and I make hair and beauty videos. So please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified for new videos. Today guys, we're going to be making a one ingredient oil that will help your hair grow and help you recover from hair loss, as it is helping me to thin. So the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this oil is sesame seed, and I have the black one here. So black seed, when applied to your hair, it helps your hair to grow, it helps to prevent dandruff, it helps to soothe your scalp, and it also helps to keep your hair from drying out. And also it has great dyeing properties, meaning it helps to keep your hair dark and also prevents gray hair. So here I have my measuring cup, 180 ml maximum. So I'm going to be using this to measure out the olive oil that I'll be adding to my black seed inside my blender. So I'll go ahead and pour in the 180 ml of olive oil into my blender. The next, I'll cover it up and I'll blend it till it's smooth. So once I'm done blending it, I'm going to go ahead now and put my pan on the stove, and then I'll pour in my blended seed and oil. Then next, I'm going to place my stove on a very low flame to prevent it from burning out and destroying the nutrients that I want, that is beneficial for hair growth. So in order not to destroy it, that's why I place it on low flame. And once it has heated up for about 10 minutes, I'm going to take it down and then I'll let it cool off for some time. And next, I'm going to go ahead and filter out my oil. So now that I'm done filtering it, this is how the oil looks. So I'm going to go ahead now and transfer it into an application bottle. I got these tiny bottles from Amazon. It has this application straw that you can use to apply directly to your scalp. It's easy when you're going to apply oil to your scalp. Makes it very easy. So I'm just going to transfer it now into the tiny bottles, and in total I got 3 tiny bottles of oil from the oil that I made. So this is my oil ready and packaged. This is going to last me for some time, and here is my protective style. You can use this oil in your protective style or as a pre-poo on your hair before you wash it, but I'm going to be applying it to my scalp. First, I'm going to go ahead and spray in some water. This is a leave-in spray water that I made using bay leaf and star anise, and on my previous video I made that, so you can go ahead and watch it to see how I made it. Next, I'm going to be applying the oil that I just made to my scalp. Then I'll massage it into my scalp and leave it. You can use this oil as many times as you want during the week. You can use it every day, you can use it every 2 days, depending on how much time you have to moisturize your hair, and also how much moisture your hair keeps and the porosity of your hair. So this, I do it 3 times a week using this oil, and it is helping my hair grow back. So once I'm done applying it to my scalp and massaging it, I'm good to go. See you guys on my next video. Thank you for your love and support. Bye bye.